It's 3 a.m. and I'm doing some break from work. My work is not actually that very easy because from time to time you really have to make some iterations of your work. We cannot say that this particular work, this particular part of your analysis would be the final ones because there will be a lot of times wherein you are going to think a lot. You have to make some reviews from the very top of your analysis going to the bottom. And along the process, you would be able to realize that something is really missing in the analysis and you really have to redo your work. And also from time to time, you have to review if this particular part of your analysis is really aligning with the business goal of the company or whatever it is that the company has set as its objective. So you really have to ask yourself, does my analysis give me the proper business understanding? Or does this particular result of my analysis give more value to the business? So these are just some of the questions that you have to answer before you're going to move on to the next part of your analysis. So it's not really just all about the kind of model you're going to use or the kind of algorithm you're going to use, but it's really more on of what kind of business value this particular analysis can give you or your business or even your company more success, or with respect to the customers, how this particular analysis would give more valuable experience to them. So that's it for today, guys.